Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tomato tinned fish. We'll start by gathering all our ingredients. You'll need 1 can of sardines, 2 medium-sized ripe tomatoes, and 1 small onion. Don't forget your seasonings: a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of chili flakes to add a little kick. This simple dish is perfect for a quick and flavorful meal. Now let's get our ingredients prepped. First, finely dice your 2 medium tomatoes and the small onion. Precision here helps everything cook evenly. Next, carefully open your can of sardines and make sure to drain any excess liquid. This prevents a watery sauce. Finally, mince 2 cloves of garlic and grate about 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger. These aromatics will build a fantastic flavor base for our dish. It's time to cook. Heat 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a pan over medium heat. Once warm, add the diced onions and minced garlic, sautéing them until they're fragrant and translucent, which takes about 2 minutes. Then, add your diced tomatoes, cooking them down for 5 to 7 minutes until they soften and release their juices. Finally, gently fold in the drained sardines and your seasonings, letting it all simmer together for about 3 minutes. Your delicious tomato tinned fish is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it warm, perhaps alongside a steaming bowl of white rice or with some crusty bread to soak up all that wonderful sauce. For an extra touch, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro or parsley. This simple yet satisfying dish is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner, offering a fantastic blend of flavors and nutrients in under 20 minutes.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.